In this video, we'll see how we can create a function, a user-defined function, and how does it work. So first we'll see what is a function or how I can define it. So first we'll see defining a function, how I can define that. So the function definition can be done with a keyword that is called as def. So def stands for definition of the function, and then I have to write any function name I want. So let's say I'll write my function, whatever I want to create, I'll just write that, and then you have to, it has to be followed by a parenthesis, and then there is a colon. So that is what the syntax to create a function or defining a function. Now if I hit enter, then it will come to the indentation. Now here whatever I write, it is called as the function body, or it is the a line where I write the codes, whatever the function to be executed or what the function will be doing. So that's what I have to define here. So let's just do one thing. We'll just print a simple message here. I'll take a print statement. So and I'll write hello welcome. Okay. Now this is what I have done. I have just created a function and I call that as a function definition I have given. Now if I execute this particular block of code, even if there is no error, there is no output also. Even if there is a print statement, so there is no output here. It's no output is coming. Why? Because I'm just defining a function and its role, what is the role of the group. So next part is calling a function. How do I execute it? So it is called as calling a function. How do I call a function? So whatever function name you have given, you just have to call that with its name. So my function name is my function that I have created and with a parenthesis. So that is what that's how you simply can call a function. And now if I execute this line, so the print whatever message I have given, it's being printed. So that's how you can define a function or what is the role of the function, and then you can call the function. Fine. So this is a very simple and very effective concept also. Whenever there is big programs has to be written, so all the things are divided into parts and been written in function, so that the program looks less complex and it can be managed easily. In the next video, we'll see about the parameters of a function, what are the different parameters and how to use that.